Hi, and welcome to the wonderful world of belly dance with me, Melissa BellyDance. This course is titled Awaken Belly Dance for Neuroplasticity, Senses and Intuition. This is a two-part course based on my belly dance online classes with a focus on the elements of how we learn neuroplasticity, senses and intuition, which is taken from my self-development program. This is a general level belly dance course open to all levels. Lots of options are provided in each class to cater for all levels, and techniques are broken down into detail using my own unique method to really help you learn and understand. But it's not recommended for complete beginners. The Awaken Belly Dance course for Neuroplasticity, Senses and Intuition takes a deep dive into the learning process whilst you're learning, combining senses and intuition based on my unique method. Part 1 includes the 6-week course taken from my live online classes, coffee break videos explaining the theory and concepts that we explore within the classes, the How We Learn Neuroplasticity Challenge, journaling and logging your progress. Course content for both parts 1 and 2 includes warm-ups, belly dance technique using my method, Arabic rhythm work of Baladi in part 1 and Saidi rhythm in part 2, belly dance drills, belly dance combinations, how we learn neuroplasticity challenges, and key meditations which help you to put it all together. Part 2. This course is a continuation of part 1 and should ideally be taken straight after you have completed part 1. In part 2, we begin to apply and focus on our senses and intuition as part of our belly dancing journey and the How We Learn Neuroplasticity Challenge. Awaken Belly Dance for Neuroplasticity, Senses and Intuition Part 2 includes the 5-week course taken from my live online classes, coffee break videos explaining the theory and concepts that we explore within the classes, a continuation of the How We Learn Neuroplasticity Challenge, and journaling and logging your progress. For this course, you will need a journal or a logbook to bring to each class so that you can log your progress. I very much look forward to teaching you and sharing some of my self-development program with you. See you soon.